Kari Boy Idol Season 2 Ban ketiu ya kesap ki kun samla Kani kani kerensan nak kebenta ki kun ketem Riboy
Some people ask me why you are keeping all this electricity in the border area. You know, in near Fisher there are some.
Daka jingang nut banweng no ya kejing ikan atput kebalane lagi paus nem menta ki artli ki komiti jong sarkar Meghalaya bad Assam ki balatip kum ka regional committee ki lahyar sya ki pratli ki shnong jong ki thain khapun ka bahari bho district ki bahab apo ka thain khanapara bad piling kata ban kendu ya ki nong shnong jong ki te ki jaka bad ru ban yosngo ya ksor jong ki halor ka jing ikan atput ki shnong ki bakine ki artli ki komiti ki lahyar jurep ki kentup ya ka bara pathar ka mauyong ka yong khuli ka mai khuli ka piling kata a piling kata B, Pathar Kuchi, Paham Kensho, Bat Khanapara. Ia kini ke Regional Committee Naga Jala Meghalaya lakli dau sembut Menteri Rangba ka Jala uba Perstun Tensong, balasan ranlang dau MLA jong jirang uba Sosteno Sotun, UMLA jong nongpo uba Emerald Bonsim, UMLA jong Mahoti Constituency uba ada sekiat bahala mare, lembat ki officer naga district. Lawan ru baniran bentalang hakane kasengi nadu kinong sensyar ka Hima Malim, kinong sensyar naga Raj Marwet, bat kiwei de. Kadbaya ke komiti na Jala Assam lailam dau Menteri ke Water Resources ke Assam Jush Hazarika balawan senran rengkat dau MLA ke Dispur wa Atul Bora lembat ki bor penia distrik Kamrup Metro bat kiwei hakane ngesngi nakliang ki khot jong ki artli ki komiti kila penlong ru ya kejing selok bat ki nong krengshong ki jaka ki balej banjurep bat deitat onda haba kila poi ha kesnong yong khuli bat mai khuli balami kejing persya bat kejing bomhun jong ipaj ba na kejaj benreu garo ki balakam ba ki jaka ki dei bej ban haba po ke Jala Meghalaya kila banjuru bana kaliang jong ajaj benreu garo hi ki basa ha ki thain kino mailat setia ban susha klun e ki jaka ki puta sya ke Jala Assam bat na kaliang jong ki kini khun persya bej ban nom ailat ya ke jingklun jaka bakan urlong tang na kadau jong ki katto ke ki bar Jala ki basa ha ki jaka ki bakwa penyeso ilade bar ke Jala Assam kabakham susi shushu kolong bahagte kesengi kila donru nakaliang jong kinong shnong ke Jala Meghalaya ki bakenno ba ke Jala Assam kawan rak briu bat kelade penbiang na dong syadong ya ke jingbun pai bat peni ha khamat ki artli ki komiti ke Jala Assam ke Jala Meghalaya kat ba ki pajba na ke Jala kimtip aa ka ba pen ishairu ya ke jingduna jong kito ki bawan poi ha ke ki jingjurep
আমি কোয়ারা যা আমি আমার লাগে কোয়ারা টেন্ডার আছে আলে না টেন্ডার আছে তো মেঘালয় ঘুমাই আমিও ঘুমত ঘুমাই আমার কথাটো যত ধৰক আপোনালোকৰ মানুহ আছে তাতে আপোনালোকে যত আমাৰ মানুহ আছে এইটো জেগাটো অসমলে দিব লাগিব আমাৰ হয় মেঘালয় অসম জায়গা এইটো অসম কেনেকৈ আমি অসম আছে আমাৰ গাঁৱৰ মানুহ আছে যদি আমাক মেঘালয় দিব জানো আপুনি
Followed according to the decision taken by both the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, that we need to come and see physically where there are issues which we have a difference. So this is the first visit and the first inspection made both sides from government of Assam and government of Meghalaya. So we understand, but of course we are here not to take any decision, not that we take a decision here itself, because ultimately again we will get some historical facts, the documents, these, that. Then accordingly, from both of us, we will send this report to both the chief ministers. That is the position of us now. Please don't misunderstand. Don't say that Mr. Hazarika, Honorable Minister, or Deputy CM of Meghalaya will take a decision now. We cannot do that because this decision was taken by both the Chief Minister, Meghalaya and Assam. So therefore, both of us, we are here just to physically see, and then ultimately the report will be given to the highest authority, means Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya.
This tent is arranged by you only. So I am came here.
No, you have
only arranged this, right?
The villagers or no?
See, sir, this tent is arranged by you only.
Yeah.
I didn't arrange anything, right? We didn't arrange anything. We just asking. We have no idea that there is a tent. There is a meeting. Right?
In plain areas, basically there is no Meghalaya people. Basically, this letter are in business purpose.
Hey, don't fight. Don't say like that. Don't say that. You are from here. Where you are from?
I'm from the Himalaya.
Which part? Which part?
I'm the Batan.
From here, how many? How
You are looking all about this.
No, you can't say that.
Yes.
I am asking
We are the
inhabitant of this
traditional.
people.
We are the traditional.
Boss, I am asking inhabitant of this people. Even she is not here. She is not from here.
He's
She is from
the
Shillong
headman.
only.
He's the headman.
She is from Shillong. He is the headman. How far from here? We have listened the people of the both of the state. Meghalaya people also have said, and Assam people also have said. But decision will be taken by our honorable chief ministers in high-level meetings. I will submit a report, but this is our not total visit. We have to do another round. So, doing both the round, we'll submit our report. Accordingly, our chief ministers will take decision.